Hello everybody and welcome back to Digital Point. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set a screen time limit on TikTok. I'm sure you or somebody else that you know has complained about this app being too addictive and spending too much time just scrolling endlessly through videos. So as you can see, I am on my profile page right now. At the top, you're going to hit the three lines and then hit settings and privacy. I'm going to scroll down a bit until you see screen time. We'll click on it there. Then you can see the time that you have spent on the app. But at the top, you will see the different options for setting that limit. So we'll go ahead and click the daily time option right here. And then you have options of 40, 60, 90, or 120 minutes. Honestly, I wish that there's an option that was like 15 or 20 minutes. I think 40 for your starting time is a bit much. So we'll go ahead and just do the minimum at 40 there. We'll hit the back arrow, go back to our home screen, and time is now set for 40 minutes. And then we'll hit turn on. And then it will have you enter a passcode for if you reach that time limit and you want to keep using the app, you will have to enter a passcode. We will just do that like that. And then that screen time is now on, and you will be notified when you hit that time limit. And again, that's what that passcode is for if you want to keep using the app after you have reached your limit. You can turn this off at any time. You can see at the bottom there's a turn off button. Very easy. You can also change the passcode too, but really no need for that right now. And that's pretty much it. Now there is a screen time limit on for 40 minutes. That way you can go about your day, get some other things done, and not get sucked into the vortex that is TikTok. So do you have a screen time limit on your app? Let us know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, we will see you in the next video.